Hello children, I hope you have already learned the poem and you have already seen the video that I have already uploaded about recitation, how to recite a poem. Now in this video I am going to explain the poem The Ice Cream Man, which is written by Rachel Field. So, in which season you feel hot? Yes, of course, it is summer season. So, when you feel hot, too hot, especially in the month of May and June, what you feel? Well, you feel that everything, especially in the noontime, everything is burning like anything. If you sit inside the room with no fan, what happens? That you feel too hot and see your body is burning. If you go outside also, what you will feel is too hot and your body is burning. So at that time, what we want to take? What do we feel first? Tell me. We feel thirsty. So when we feel thirsty, what? Do we take hot water? No. We prefer cold water. So we want to, at that time, if the shop is near, we buy cold water, or we want to take the cold drinks, or we want to take the ice cream. Children especially, they favor ice cream. When you pass near your through the ice cream parlor, near the ice cream parlor, or when you see an ice cream man selling ice cream, what you do? You ask your parents to buy ice cream, because ice cream is here one of the favorite dish. In this poem, the poet wants to tell about the ice cream man. He wants to tell about the ice cream. He wants to tell how the children react when they see the ice cream man. He describes here how the ice cream cart looks like, and also he compares the ice cream cart with a flower bed, as well as he compares the children with honey bees. Now let's see. When the summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little car goes trundling down the street. Here blaze means what? Blaze means what? Fire. Blaze means fire. Bright flame or fire. Trundling means what? Moving on small boats of wheel. Trundling means moving on small boats of wheels. Here you can see the diagram. You can see here I have drawn the ice cream cart. The cart is on small wheels, right? Small wheels. That is, when the ice cream man pushes it trundles. Means what happens? He pushes the cart. That is known as trundling. So let us see the first stanza. When the summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. When here it means what? When the whole city is burning, the whole world is burning. During summer season, May and June, whole world is burning. All the streets are burning. All the cities are burning, right? And breaks burning like fire. It is breaks a blaze of heat means what? The city is burning like fire. At that time, what happens? At that time, we feel that our body is also burning. Everything is burning. Obviously, our body will also start burning. Jalan hote rehta hai na? And that time we feel thirsty. And what we want to do? We want to take some cold drinks or cold water, and of course if we see the ice cream man, then obviously we want to take the ice cream. We want to take the ice cream, right? As it is the children's favorite dish. So at that time what happens? At that time when you are feeling thirsty, when you want to take the cold water or something, at that time you see a man coming down towards you, pushing a cart. Who is this man? This man is ice cream man. This man is ice cream man. And what is this cart? This is the ice cream cart. So when the summer is in the city, when the summer is there in the city and everything is burning like fire, what happens? At that time a man comes out pushing a cart and he is known as ice cream man. We can see a ice cream man coming down the street pushing a cart. क्या हो रहा है? जब पूरा शहर गर्मी में सब पूरा गर्मी हो जाता है, चारों ओर से गर्मी हो जाता है, गर्मी में क्या होता है? सब कुछ जलने लगता है ना, आग का जैसा जलने लगता है उस। एंड देन व्हाट वी सी, क्या देखते हैं उस टाइम में? एक मैन को देखता है। एक मैन क्या कर रहा है? एक कार्ट को पुश करके लेके आ रहा है, एक कार्ट लेके हमारे तरफ में आ रहा है। वो कौन है? वो आइसक्रीम मैन है। और उनका वो कार्ट में क्या है? आइसक्रीम है। Beneath his round umbrella, second stanza now you see, beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with moms and of cooling brown and white. Cones are like this, right? We have seen the cones. Ice cream man that sells cones, na? Kulfi bolte hain. And what happens? This is the ice cream. Mounds means heap of ice cream. Here heap of ice cream. So beneath the round umbrella, what happens? This is the ice cream cart you can see here. And there above the cart there is a round, big round umbrella. Under it who stands there? An ice cream man is there. Right? An ice cream man is there. What he does? He takes the cone. This is in cone shape, so we call it cone. He takes the cone and fills a heap of ice cream over it. What is the color of the ice cream? The color of the ice cream is brown and white. So by looking these, the children feels what? The children feels joyful. By looking at this, the children feels joyful. Again you see, beneath his round umbrella, above the ice cream cart, the ice cream man, what he puts? A big umbrella, because it is too hot. Right? In summer season it is too hot. No? So if this umbrella gives the shade to him. Right? Beneath his round umbrella, what he does? He takes the cone and fills the ice cream with a heap of, he takes the cone and fills the cone with a heap of ice cream and gives it to the children. And what is the color? The colors are either of brown or white. And children, by looking this, they feel joyful. They feel happy. क्या होता है? आइसक्रीम कार्ट का ऊपर में क्या लगा लेता है? वो एक बड़ा सा छतरी लगा लेता है ना, जिसका नीचे खड़ा होके वो क्या करता है? कोन्स लेके उसका ऊपर में क्या करता है? आइसक्रीम ढालते रहते हैं ना, आइसक्रीम देके वो बच्चा को देता है। वो कलर क्या होता है आइसक्रीम का? ब्राउन एंड व्हाइट। कलर क्या होता है? ब्राउन एंड व्हाइट। कलर होता है ब्राउन एंड व्हाइट। और वो जब बच्चा को वो जब फील करता है, बच्चा क्या सोचता है? बच्चा सोचता है अभी हमको देगा ना, और बच्चा बहुत खुश होते रहता है ना। अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा, थर्ड स्टेंजा क्या है? वेनिला चॉकलेट स्ट्रॉबेरी। और नाउ द थर्ड स्टेंजा यू सी, वेनिला चॉकलेट स्ट्रॉबेरी और चीनी थिंग्स टू ड्रिंक फ्रॉम द बॉटल्स ऑफ फ्रोस्टी फीज, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, व्हाइट और पिंक। तो ये जो कार्ट है, कार्ट में आइसक्रीम मैन जो सेल कर रहा है, आइसक्रीम मैन इधर में जो सेल कर रहा है, आइसक्रीम मैन व्हाट इज डूइंग? इज सेलिंग द आइसक्रीम। Ice cream man, he is selling the ice cream to whom? To the children. To the children, na? To the children. These are the children. The ice cream man, he is selling the ice cream to the children. So what flavors of ice creams are there? What flavors are there? Na? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry flavors are there. You all like, right? You all know that there are flavors of ice cream, and we will choose according to our choice. You will choose according to your choice. Like if I like vanilla, I will take vanilla. If someone likes chocolate flavor, he will take chocolate. If someone likes strawberry flavor, he will take strawberry. Right? Or chilly things to drink. And what he keeps? He keeps the cold drinks also, which is very chill. Chill means very, very cool. Chill means very, very cool. Very, very cool. From the bottles full of frosty fizz. Frosty fizz. Frosty fizz means what? Frosty fizz means it is chill drinks, right? And when you open it, when you open the cold drinks, you say a sound comes out, shish, right? So that is known as frosty fizz. From the bottles of frosty bridge, green, orange, white, or pink. What are the colors of the bottle that is there? The colors of the bottle are green, orange, white, or pink. Again you see vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Vanilla, there are, what are the flavors are there? The flavors are vanilla is there, chocolate is there, strawberry is there, and we will take from the ice cream man whatever flavor we like. Like suppose I like strawberry, I will take strawberry flavor. If you like chocolate flavor, you will take chocolate flavor. Those who will like vanilla flavor, they will take vanilla flavor from the ice cream man. And what is there? And what? Not only the ice cream, he sells not only the ice cream, he also sells the cold drinks. Chilly means thanda. Na, ekdam thanda, fridge thanda. Chill, we say chill means too cold. So, or chilly things to drink. What is there? Chilly, the cold drinks are there. And he will give it, from where he will give it? He will give it from the bottles full of frosty fizz. What is frosty fizz? Frosty fizz means what? Frosty fizz means still is making a hissing sound or bubbling sound. When you will open the bottle, there will be a hissing sound, right? When you open the bottle of cold drinks, you see bubbles come out and a hiss sound comes out, right? The gas comes out, so hiss sound is coming out. That is known as frosty fizz. So from the bottles full of frosty fizz, here the bottles are full of bubbles, full of sounds, hiss sounds. And what are the colors of the bottle? The colors of the bottle are green, orange, white, or pink. These will be the colors of bottles you will get. Now, last danger. Before that, let me explain it in Hindi. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. कौन सा कलर का, कौन सा फ्लेवर इसमें मिलता है? ये जो आइसक्रीम दे रहा है, कौन सा फ्लेवर में मिल रहा है? वेनिला मिल रहा है, चॉकलेट मिल रहा है, स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल रहा है. और उसका साथ में क्या था? एकदम ठंडा कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स रहता है, एकदम ठंडा कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स रहता है. और वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स किस में रहता है? बॉटल्स में रहता है, जिसको खोलने के साथ साथ में क्या होता है? एक हिसिंग साउंड आता है. क्या होता है? एक हिसिंग साउंड, हिस करके बबल्स ऊपर में आता है. दैट इज नोन एज फ्रोस्टी फिज. और बॉटल्स का कलर क्या होता है? बॉटल्स का कलर होता है ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, व्हाइट और पिंक, राइट? व्हाइट क्या होता है? ग्रीन कलर का मिलेगा, ऑरेंज कलर का बॉटल्स मिलेगा, व्हाइट कलर का बॉटल्स मिलेगा, और किस कलर का बॉटल्स मिलेगा? पिंक कलर का बॉटल मिलेगा. Then last danger, come to the last danger. His skirt might be a flowered bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. Here you will get the word you see cluster. Cluster means what? Round up, round up. The children here rounded up, rounded up the ice cream man. So, round up. Cluster means round up. His cart might be a flower bed. So, what is cart? His cart is decorated with the flowers of rose flowers, right? And sweet peas. And sweet peas. His cart is decorated with what? With the roses and sweet peas. And it looks like that it is a flower bed. The poet compares here the ice cream cart as flower bed. And looking at the flower bed, the children, they get interested, they get attracted. Looking at the ice cream man's cart, they get interested and they run and surround the ice cream man. And surround the ice cream man, cluster the ice cream man, surround the ice cream man, as if they look like the honeybees, as if the honeybees, the way the honeybees surround their hives, like this they surround their hive. The honeybees they surround their hive. In that way, the children also surround the ice cream man. Here, the children are compared with the honeybees. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? His cart might be a flower bed. उसका कार्ट कैसा से डेकोरेट किया गया है? किससे डेकोरेट किया गया है? फूलों से डेकोरेट किया है. रोज स्वीट पीस से डेकोरेट किया गया है. और उसका कार्ट इतना सुंदर लगता है कि कंपेयर किया गया है. पोएट इसको कंपेयर किससे किया है? फ्लावर बेड का साथ में किया है ना. फ्लावर बेड का साथ में बगीचा का, फूलों का बगीचा का साथ में कंपेयर किया है. और इस कार्ड को देखने के बाद में चिल्ड्रन, बच्चा को क्या होता है? बच्चा अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इस आइसक्रीम मैन का और दौड़ के उसको घेर लेता है. कैसा घेर लेता है? जैसा मधुमक्खी अपना हाइव को घेर लेता है. जैसा मधुमक्खी अपना हाइव को घेर लेता है, वैसे बच्चे भी जाके अपना आइसक्रीम मैन को घेर लेता है और उनसे आइसक्रीम खरीद के खाते हैं. Thank you very much. I hope you understand it. Until and unless you understand, you keep on watching the video. In next video, I will upload the question answers. I will discuss the question answers, and in PDF form, you will get the question answer. Thank you very much.